Hey guys, Cole here with Nashville RV, back again to show you a fresh trade-in to the lot. We got a 2024 Brinkley 3100Z model. You got a 35-foot fifth wheel. It's going to be outfitted with the auto level system. You got a huge pass-through storage inside with lights and an exterior spray port. Dual awnings with LED strips underneath of them. The new solid steps with the collapsible rail. These are going to be automotive grade windows and they are tinted. Quick look at the rear. You do have a hitch back here. Camera is already installed. Slides are going to be outfitted with the slide toppers. Let's take a quick look at the inside. Residential cabinets, pop-up TV. This couch will make additional sleeping. Got the Thomas Paine recliners over here. Electric fireplace, and that will put out a good amount of heat. You're gonna have the larger oven, 3-burner stove. Take a quick look at the bedroom. Huge king size bed. It is going to be outfitted with the washer and dryer unit already. TV. Moving into the bathroom. Huge shower. Let me know what you guys think.